Hello chaps, and welcome back to Tino Cork.
Today, we have this breathtaking Lamborghini Huracan Evo.
Anyway chaps, let's have a look at the condition of the car.
So as you can see chaps, this Huracan is definitely in need of a good wash. So let's get started on the wheels. After pressure washing the wheels, I foamed them up and cleaned them using different brushes and a mitt.
Tino has been spotted. He has now started snow foaming the Lamborghini.
Now that the snow from has sat on the Lamborghini and loosened up that dirt, I can pressure wash it off. Chaps, be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you do not miss a video.
Stay tuned as I'm going to be driving this beast.
Now that the majority of the dirt has been removed, it is safe to hand wash the car to remove the remaining dirt, which won't really come off without some contact. Also, a Tino Detailing brush is used to get into those hard to reach areas. If you want to get your hands on any of the products and accessories you see me using to clean the cars, then head over to tinocarcare.com. Let's now rinse the shampoo off this Lamborghini. Let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts on this Lamborghini Huracan Evo and what rating would you give it out of 10? Now that this Huracan Evo is clean and still wet, we apply the Tino ceramic snow foam. This is a very simple way to apply an even layer of ceramic protection to your whole car. So you just spray it on, rinse it off and enjoy those beads. It can be used as a standalone or as a top-up to your existing coating. I now dry the car using a premium drying towel. Very satisfying. Definitely give this video a like if you've been enjoying it. Time to clean up the glass. Okay chaps, if you happen to own a supercar, hypercar or anything interesting or even a tank, be sure to contact us for a chance to feature on our channel. Let's now wipe down the door shuts. Once that is done, we begin on the interior. I first use an air blower and a ultra soft detailing brush to remove the dust from the upper surfaces of the car. With the dust down on the ground, I vacuum the carpets. Time to finish off the rest of the interior. The Tino scrub pad along with our interior detailer is used to give a deep clean and get into the pores of plastics, leathers and Alcantara. I now drill brush the carpets and then extract them to get them back to perfect condition. Now the exterior detailer is used to give that final shine and another layer of protection.
Feeling high when I'm low, I need it more when you're close to me, close to me. I'm feeling high when I'm low, I need it more when you're close to me. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Here are your results. Enjoy. Amazing shine. This Lamborghini looks like a mirror. Massive thanks to the customer for letting us take his Lambo for a spin.